How to handle questions confidently in English.
Do you ever feel nervous when answering questions in business meetings? Do you struggle to give clear professional responses in English? This video is designed to help non-native English-speaking professionals. Use a three-step strategy to handle questions effectively. Answer proactively with confidence. Structure your responses clearly in business English. Hello, I'm Brian McCloskey, CEO of NextGen Business Communication Training. At NextGen, we specialize in providing non-native English-speaking professionals with the communication skills needed to succeed in global business. Why handling questions matters. Answering questions isn't just about responding quickly, it's about responding clearly and confidently. Many non-native English speakers rush their answers because they feel nervous, leading to unclear or disorganized responses. The key? Pause, gather your thoughts, and give a structured response using professional business English. Here's an example of a strong business response. Imagine a sales director, Peter Jones, is asked how he plans to increase revenue by 10%. Here's how he responds.
That's a great question. I'm glad you asked me about that. So, let me answer your question by saying this. I plan to increase sales revenue by doing two things. First, I'll diversify our product range. Second, I'll expand our sales team. I believe that answers your question. Now, I'd like to return to my point about sales strategy.
Why this response works. He is positive. Peter starts by saying, "That's a great question. I'm glad you asked." This sets a friendly and confident tone, making the questioner feel appreciated. He is proactive by saying, "Let me answer your question by saying this." Peter takes control of the conversation and positions himself as a confident communicator. He gains time phrases like, "That's a great question," and "Let me answer your question by saying this." Give Peter a moment to organize his thoughts before responding. He organizes his answer. Peter uses a structured response. First, I'll diversify our product range. Second, I'll expand our sales team. This approach makes his points easy to follow and understand. This is very important when communicating in global business. He stays focused. Peter concludes by saying, "I believe that answers your question. Now, I'd like to return to my point about sales strategy." This confirms he addressed the question and smoothly transitions back to his main topic. 4 key tips for professional answers. Be positive. Use phrases like, "That's a great question," to build rapport. Be proactive. Take control with, "Let me explain," or "Here's how I see it." Be organized. Pause before answering and structure your response clearly. Be focused. Confirm you've answered, then smoothly return to your topic. Why this skill is essential for non-native speakers. Strong question handling skills help you. Build credibility and confidence. Sound more professional in business conversations. Communicate clearly, even in challenging discussions. Final thoughts. Mastering professional responses in English will strengthen your business communication skills and boost your reputation in global workplaces. Start practicing today and make a lasting impression in your next business meeting. Thanks for watching. This video is taken from one of our e-learning courses. If you'd like to learn more, visit us at www.nextgenclt.com. Contact us at contact@nextgenclt.com or call 02-2391-9020.